In this video, I'll be showing you how to use laptop keyboard with keyboard basics and functions. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do, the absolute most important key on a laptop is the FN key. That's usually found in the bottom left corner next to the control key, and laptops pair the top of row of the keys like F1 through F20 with system actions like volume and brightness. So to change system settings, look at the small icons printed on the top row, like a speaker icon or a sun symbol. Hold down the FN key and tap that corresponding top row key to lower your volume or dim your screen. And if you're tired of holding down two keys, then press FN and escape simultaneously. This locks the function row so you can tap the media keys directly with a single finger. Then what you can do is navigate documents with the mouse. Now, laptops lack the dedicated block of navigation keys found on a massive desktop keyboard. Instead, those controls are cleverly mapped directly onto your standard arrow keys. So jump to the start or end of line by holding the FN key and then tapping the left arrow, and then the same thing for the right arrow if you want to go to the end. Now, you can also scroll pages instantly by holding the FN key and then tapping up the up arrow or the down arrow to fly through long articles or PDF scripts without using a trackpad. And instead of moving your hand to the trackpad, clicking your menu and sliding down to an option, you can use these a few simple things. So Control and Z is an undo button. The Windows key and D is an instant desktop privacy button, and that minimizes everything all at once. And you can do Alt Tab, and that brings up all of your open apps, letting you switch between windows in a fraction of a second. And yeah, it's as simple as that.